I'm Daniela Martinez, and I'm an herbal mixologist. I'm a huge fan of using fresh herbs and ingredients to not only spice up my cocktails, but also enrich them with some great nutritious benefits, because why not also drink like we love ourselves? So for our first cocktail, we're going to be making what I like to call the Think Blackberry Smash. We'll be using Still Austin Straight Bourbon, 10 fresh blackberries. I'm going to do about 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves. And we're just going to go ahead and muddle this up. Basil and blackberry are awesome for using in your cocktails because of all the high antioxidants that they have. They're great anti-inflammatories. Basil is great for combating flu and colds, and great for digestion. I love using bourbon because a lot of people don't know this, but bourbon has no fat, no carbs, and an extremely low sugar content. Not to mention, it's also high in antioxidants. We're going to cut up 2 lemons, and with our citrus squeezer, squeeze it all out. Our house-made infused basil simple syrup, and we're going to do 1.5 ounces of that. And we'll give it a nice stir. A little club soda for some bubbles, a nice press, and then simply serve. Look at that beautiful cocktail. So for our Still Cucumber Fresh Cooler, we're going to be using Still Austin's gin, 1 medium-sized cucumber, about 10 mint leaves, some tahini chili powder, a splash of cup soda, agave nectar, and about 3 to 4 limes. We'll be combining the hydrating benefits of cucumber, mint, and fresh lime to create a highly alkalizing cocktail that will be sure to cool and calm even the hottest of moods. We'll start with our cucumber, and we'll take it and lay it horizontally, and we'll cut about 6 to 8 rounds. Then we're going to take about 6 mint leaves, and feel free to use both the stem and the leaf. What a lot of people don't know is that a lot of the mint flavor is held in the stems. Go ahead and break apart all the large pieces. Now, depending on the size of your limes, you might need to use between 3 to 4 limes. All right, we got a cup of gin. And we're going to do 2.5 ounces agave syrup or honey, whatever you have available. Stir. I love using tahini for all of my summertime cocktails as a garnish because it adds that much needed savory flavor that in Texas we all know and love. Cheers.